Hi, my name is Mridula. Today we'll look at the Model Tenancy Act 2021, which was approved by the Union Cabinet in the first week of June. The Constitution contains lists of subjects on which the centre and state can legislate and on which both can make laws concurrently. Land improvement and control of rents falls under the state list, and so rental housing is regulated by the states. A Model Act is a suggestion by the Union government and is not an act passed by the Parliament. It can come into force only when it is adopted by state legislatures who may modify the Model Act as they see fit. A policy push towards encouraging home ownership and rent control laws have resulted in both a shortage of housing in urban India as well as an increase in vacant houses. The Ministry of Housing's technical group in 2012 estimated the shortage to be at 1.9 crore units. At the same time, the 2011 census noted that the vacant houses constituted about 12% of the total urban housing stock. The high vacancy rate has been attributed to unclear property laws, poor contract enforcement, and rent control laws. Now let's take a minute to talk about the rent control laws. Several state governments have laws which place a ceiling on rents to ensure affordable housing. This, however, means that homeowners have limited options to increase their rent, making it economically unattractive for them to put their properties on the market. This leads to vacancies, but also an informal rental market. Tamil Nadu repealed its Rent Control Act for this reason and passed a law in 2017 on the lines of the 2015 Model Tenancy Act. But as of 2021, 20 states including Karnataka, Maharashtra and West Bengal continue to have rent control laws. A few states including Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh have repealed their rent control laws. It's important that the housing shortage/vacancy is addressed because as the 2018 economic rental housing ensures affordability for low-income households who may not be able to purchase a home. The 2021 Model Tenancy Act proposes to address these issues and introduces a framework to encourage homeowners to put their properties on the market, for tenants and landlords to register their rent agreements, and to spur growth in rental markets overall. The Model Act proposes a three-tier quasi-judicial mechanism to adjudicate disputes. Rent tribunals at the top in each district, constituted after consulting with the jurisdictional high court, followed by rent authorities and rent courts to be appointed by the district collector with the approval of the state government. All rental agreements drawn up, be it residential or commercial, must be registered with the rent authorities within 2 months. The rent agreement must specify things like rent, time duration, reasonable causes for the landlord to enter the premises, and the responsibilities to maintain it. The Model Act caps the security deposit at 2 months for residential premises and at 6 months for non-residential premises. No civil courts will have jurisdiction over matters pertaining to the provisions under the Model Act. While intimating the rent authority about the agreement, a form must be submitted. The form requires both the landlord and the tenant to submit their Aadhaar numbers. This may violate a 2018 Supreme Court judgment, which states that requiring an Aadhaar card or number cannot be made mandatory unless it is for an expenditure on a subsidy, benefit or service incurred from the Consolidated Fund of India. Further, the details of the rent agreement along with other documents will be uploaded on the rent authority's website. It is unclear if personal details of the parties such as PAN and Aadhaar number will be made publicly available. If these are uploaded on the website, they may violate the right to privacy of the involved parties. The Model Act specifies timelines for resolution of cases linked with eviction and payment of rent. However, timelines have not been specified for certain cases. For instance, for disputes on withholding of essential services or revision of rent, no timeline has been specified within which the rent authority must resolve them. While the framework proposed under the Model Tenancy Act may lead to increased formalization and private investment in the housing market, experts have suggested supplementing this with other policy initiatives to meet the sector's larger objectives. A full summary of the 2021 Model Tenancy Act is available in the description box. For more information on other bills and updates on Parliament, please visit our website prsindia.org.